Hello everybody! I'm going to be taking my car for its second car wash. It rained here in the valley, so my car's dirty. I'm back at Kelly Car Wash, but I'm going to that bay this time. By the way, the Vector Rapid Wash I filmed, it got replaced with a LaserWash 360. There's a detail shop there. You can get your car detailed, I guess. And we're gonna go... Oh, can I go to this bay or no? Okay, Oh wait, yeah, I can. I've never seen it where the money machine is inside. Well, there's your menu. Pause if you want to read it. I'm getting the $12 car wash. I'm gonna wait for this car to finish and then I'll go pay for the wash. I've never seen the money machine inside the bay ever. This is the very first time. I'm gonna stop the video here and let this car finish. Alright, the dryer's just turned off, so I'm gonna go pay for the car wash.
You have selected the Ultra Car Wash. Please deposit $12.
I didn't swipe it right. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna turn the AC off. Here we go. Gonna get all the grime and dirt off. Okay, looks like this car is gonna go behind me. Oh, look at that interesting dryer setup. That's cool. That water wizard I went to last time, it did an okay job, but it wasn't the best car wash. These do an excellent job cleaning, and I have a lot of dirt and grime due to the rain we had, so... at that. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Just to show you, the soft wash is still there, but you see the Vector Rapid Wash, that got replaced with a laser wash. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.